AI is no longer just a thing of science fiction. It's happening now, and it's happening faster than we could have ever imagined. Imagine a world where robots can think and learn like humans, where machines can outsmart their creators. This is the world of AI, and it's closer than you think. With the advancements in AI also come potential dangers that could have catastrophic consequences if left unchecked. In this video, we'll explore the incredible capabilities of AI and the potential risks it poses to our society, which could lead to a dark future if we don't act now. First, let's talk about the potential for job displacement. With the advancements in AI, machines and robots are becoming more efficient at performing tasks that were once done by humans. This means that many jobs may become obsolete, leading to mass unemployment and economic upheaval. A recent survey found that nearly 69% of college graduates believe AI could take their job or make it irrelevant in a few years. People with graduate degrees are the ones most afraid of losing their jobs. About 68.5% of them fear being replaced by AI, compared to just 55% of other respondents. This is a real concern, and it's something that we need to start thinking about now, before it's too late. It's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk, but even jobs that were once considered safe, such as accountants, lawyers, and even doctors, are now being replaced by AI. This could lead to a future where only a select few have access to well-paying jobs, while the majority of people are left struggling to make ends meet. Another concern is the ethical implications of AI. As machines become more advanced, they will be making more and more decisions on their own. This raises important questions about accountability and responsibility.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile. Nobody will listen.
Who is responsible when a machine makes a mistake? And what happens when machines start making decisions that go against our values and morals? These are important questions that we need to start considering now. For example, imagine a self-driving car that has to make a split-second decision to avoid an accident. But in doing so, it ends up causing an accident that kills innocent people. Who is held responsible for this? The manufacturer of the car? The AI system? These are ethical dilemmas that we need to start thinking about now. Additionally, the use of AI in decision-making, such as in hiring processes or criminal justice, could perpetuate and even amplify bias, leading to discrimination and unfair treatment of certain groups of people. The potential misuse of AI is also a concern. AI is a powerful technology that can be used for both good and evil. There is a risk that AI could be used for surveillance, censorship, or even as a weapon. This is something that needs to be addressed now, before it's too late. Governments and corporations could use AI to monitor and control the population, leading to a loss of privacy and individual freedom. Additionally, the use of AI in warfare could lead to an arms race between nations, with devastating consequences. It's important to remember that AI does not have the ability to understand the moral implications of its actions. It can only act based on the data and instructions it's been given. This means that it's up to us to ensure that the data and instructions being fed to AI align with our values and morals. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are also many potential benefits of AI. It has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways, from healthcare to education to transportation. We just need to make sure that we're also considering the potential risks and working to mitigate them. For example, in healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases, leading to more accurate diagnoses and better outcomes for patients. Additionally, AI could be used to improve education by personalizing learning and providing access to education for people who may not have had the opportunity before. It can also be used to address complex issues such as climate change by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. It's important to remember that AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's not going to be the solution to all our problems. We need to be realistic about its capabilities and limitations. We also need to be transparent about its development and use, and have open and honest conversations about the potential risks and benefits. Finally, I'd like to end the video by saying that this video was written by AI. It's important to remember that AI is not just a thing of science fiction. It's already here, and it's advancing rapidly. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and concerning. It has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways, but it also poses potential dangers that we need to be aware of. Thank you for watching our video on the frightening future of AI. You should watch these videos next.